You hoes gotta stop that shit that y'all doing. Like shit like this on Facebook. That shit has to stop. And this shit right here, that gotta stop. And this shit right here in the mirror,
My real.
that gotta stop.
Oh man, my real is killing me right now, bitch. I'm glad I'm on the butt end of this joke now. I ain't the funny one tonight, bitch. I'm chilling. That nigga said, y'all gotta stop. Hell no.
For real, they be lined up like this in the club. What the fuck? Like who does that? Like really? Bro, they be lined up with the little pocketbooks.
They done match the shoes and shit.
Yeah.
Everybody.